The DTE Energy Efficiency Academy is more than a training program. It's a career launchpad, a community builder, and a path to a better future.
Today's my first day on overjob training. I'm in week 6. My favorite part of the program so far is just getting the knowledge and understanding different ways of how a house works.
Through hands-on training and real-world experience, participants gain the skills needed to make homes more energy efficient and communities more sustainable.
I am certified to analyze houses for how they're utilizing their energy, and also to be able to, stop the spread of lead dust from houses with lead paint.
The program offers certifications in building science principles, healthy housing, and more, setting the foundation for a stable and rewarding career.
You want a blower door test? We do dryer vent, we do weather strip, we do door sweep, which pretty much just seals up everything around the doors and all that, make sure there's no issues with that. I was able to get my first apartment at 19. I was able to pay my car off. It was really a great opportunity.
With support from DTE Energy and partners like Walker Miller Energy Services, the Academy is building a skilled workforce ready to meet the demands of a clean energy future.
Partnering with DTE has been a blessing. We work with the EEA program and other programs, and I always tell people I get more hugs in this program than I ever have. We're helping our community, and it's allowed us to be able to grow. Watching someone come from the Academy and progressing and advancing has been a real joy.
Graduates are not only trained, but also connected to job opportunities, ensuring a seamless transition into the workforce.
I'm managing probably 4 to 5 people a day. When I first started the program, didn't really know what was going on, but everything came together once we stepped out into the field. If you're looking for something that's going to challenge you every day and the work is going to change all the time, this is a good field to start in.
The DTE Energy Efficiency Academy is more than a training program. It's a catalyst for change, empowering individuals and energizing communities. Are you ready to make a difference? Step into a career that powers change with the DTE Energy Efficiency Academy.